How to stop being lazy. Can small actions spark a big change? Laziness is like a heavy blanket. It feels warm and safe, but it holds you down. You want to chase dreams, finish tasks, or feel proud, but instead, you sleep late, scroll on your phone, or say, "I'll do it tomorrow." Tomorrow stays empty. Laziness isn't just about doing nothing. It's about avoiding effort. The good news? You can break free. Here are ways to stop being lazy and light a fire inside you. First, understand why you're lazy. Sometimes, it's not just wanting to rest. You might feel scared of failing, tired from too many tasks, or unsure where to start. Think about your day. Do you spend hours watching videos because a job feels too big? Do you stay in bed because you don't know your next step? Knowing the reason is like finding a map. It shows you where to go. Start small. Big goals, like writing a book or running a race, can feel heavy. They make you think, it's too hard. Instead, pick one tiny task. Write one sentence. Walk for 5 minutes. Clean one shelf. Small tasks are easy, and they add up. When you finish one, you feel good. That feeling pushes you to do another. It's like rolling a snowball, small at first, but it grows bigger with each push. Make a list. Write down 3 things to do each day, not 10, not 20, just 3. They can be simple. Make your bed, read 1 page, wash dishes. A list gives you a plan. It's like a road to follow. Check each task when you're done. The check mark feels like a prize. It tells your brain, I can do this. Keep the list short so it doesn't scare you. Over time, you can add more. Remove distractions. Laziness loves phones, games, and TV. They're fun, but they steal your time. If you want to work, put your phone in another room. Turn off the TV. Set a timer for 25 minutes and focus on one task. No checking messages, no videos. This trick is like closing a door to laziness. When the timer rings, you'll be surprised. You did more than you thought. Build habits. Doing something every day makes it easier. Want to write? Sit at your desk at the same time daily, even for 10 minutes. Want to exercise? Put on your shoes every morning, even for a short walk. Habits are like paths in a forest. The more you walk them, the clearer they get. At first, it feels hard. Your body says, let's rest. But after a week, it feels normal. After a month, it's part of you. Find your why. Laziness wins when you don't care. Ask, why do I want to stop being lazy? Maybe you want to feel strong, help your family, or reach a dream. Your why is like a light in the dark. It pulls you forward. Write it down and put it where you can see it, on your desk, in your wallet. When you feel lazy, read it. It will wake you up. Reward yourself. Work is hard, but it can be fun. Finish a task, eat a piece of chocolate, write a page, watch a short video, clean your room, listen to your favorite song. Rewards make your brain happy. They say, work is good. But don't reward yourself before the task. That's a trap. Save the treat for after. Face fear. Sometimes, laziness hides fear. You don't start because you think, what if I fail? Failure is not a monster. It's a teacher. If you write a bad page, you learn. If you run slowly, you get stronger. Try anyway. Tell yourself, I'll do my best. Each try makes you braver. Soon, fear feels smaller, and laziness has no place to hide. Get support. You don't have to fight alone. Tell a friend, I want to stop being lazy. Ask them to check on you. Did you do your task today? Their questions keep you moving. Join a group. People who write, exercise, or learn. They share your goals, and their energy lifts you. Even a small talk with someone who cares can push you forward. Celebrate progress. Look back after a week. Did you write 5 pages? Walk every day? Clean your space? These are wins. They're not big like climbing a mountain, but they're real. Write them down. Say, I'm proud of this. Progress is like a ladder. Each step takes you higher. Laziness wants you to think you're stuck. Your wins prove it wrong. Keep going. Some days, you'll feel lazy again. You'll miss a task or sleep late. That's okay. Don't quit. One bad day doesn't break your path. Wake up the next day and try again. Say, today is new. Every step, even a small one, builds your fire. Over time, laziness becomes a shadow, not a wall. Laziness is a habit, but so is effort. You can choose which one to feed. Start today. Pick one task, write it down, and do it. Feel the spark. Watch it grow. You're not lazy. You're ready to shine. So, ask yourself, can I start now? The answer is yes. Your fire is waiting.